Two standout platforms in business automation, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Suvit, AI-powered automation, tailored for accountants and firms. And on the right, Refrens, the all-in-one financial suite trusted by agencies and SMBs worldwide. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into the features that actually matter. Each category will earn points. So by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, before we jump in, here's a quick mind map of what we'll be digging into. Pricing, AI and automation, target audience, features, integrations and ecosystem, and of course, user experience and reviews. Yep, we're covering everything that actually matters. Okay, first up, pricing. So with Suvit, you're looking at a yearly commitment. It's 9,500 rupees a year. Honestly, that's not exactly budget friendly if you're just starting out. And yeah, no free plan either. They do bundle in some pro-level features, but still, the entry ticket is kind of steep. Now, Refrens flips the script here. Their plans start at just 4,900 a year. And get this, they actually give you a free plan and a 7-day trial. So if you want to really test the waters before jumping in with cash, that's a big win. Although, as you can imagine, most of those advanced bells and whistles are locked behind paid plans. But honestly, for startups or freelancers, this is a little more accessible. If we're calling a winner for pricing, it's Refrens. Easy. All right, now let's talk about AI and automation. Because, come on, everyone wants less manual work, right? So Suvit is actually super clever here. You get OCR and machine learning that automatically pulls data from documents. Automated GST and TDS reconciliation. Yep, even batch data entry. So all those hours you'd normally lose to typing stuff into Tally, gone. The catch is, it's really built for accounting workflows. Now, switching over to Refrens. Oh, and here's something cool. They've got an AI CFO called Freya. You can actually get instant financial answers, analytics, and more just by typing your question in plain English. Plus, you get compliance automation, document OCR for expenses, and smart reconciliation too. The only thing is, some of those AI features are premium. But still, for most people, both do auto magic really well. So who wins here? Honestly, I'd say it's a solid tie. Let's walk through who each tool is actually for. Suvit, it's basically tailor-made for chartered accountants, tax consultants, and accounting firms. If you live and breathe compliance, Suvit gets you. But if you're an agency, a freelancer, or a small business, it feels a bit too niche, right? Refrens, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife for agencies, SMBs, solopreneurs, startups, pretty much anyone in over 170 countries, apparently. It handles finance, invoicing, client/player management, the whole 9 yards. So unless you absolutely need hardcore CA tools, Refrens is a broader fit and wins this round. Wait, pause a sec. Did you know Refrens Freya AI CFO can actually answer those complex financial questions you usually have to bug your accountant about? You just type in English and get instant insights. That's actually wild. Features. All right, Suvit's got AI batch processing, which is honestly super impressive if you're wrangling heaps of compliance paperwork. There's also document collection via WhatsApp. And yeah, it automates everything from tally entries to GST and TDS checks. But here's the thing. It's very focused on turning documents into accounting data. Not as much happening with payments or cool invoicing features. Refrens, though, packs invoicing, payments, accounting, ledgers, inventory, vendor, and client modules. It's seriously a full suite. Plus, there are advanced reports and predictive analytics for the data nerds. If you need all-in-one, Refrens just gives you more. Winner here? Refrens. Now, integrations and ecosystem. Suvit is kind of a beast in this area. You've got WhatsApp, Tally, Vyapar for Indian accounts, plus PDF, Excel, OCR uploads. And for advanced setups, they even integrate with NetSuite, SAP, and Dynamics ERP. Like, whoa. If you do bulk, super complex accounting, this is awesome, though you might need a little bit of setup. As for Refrens, it sticks closer to the finance ecosystem. You get bank statement matching, built-in GST, e-invoice, e-way bill tools, and so on. It does a lot, but not quite as intense on ERP integrations. So, winner for integrations? Suvit for sure. Let's wrap up with user experience and reviews. Okay, Suvit is efficient, especially for repetitive compliance work. No doubt there. But the average rating is kind of meh, just about 3.7 out of 5. Plus, if you're not a full-blown accountant, there's a learning curve. Now, Refrens has legit great ratings, floating between 4.4 and 4.9 on Trustpilot and other platforms. People really say it's super easy, super intuitive, especially if you're in an agency or just starting out. So if you want less pain and more applause, it's Refrens again. So if we pull up the radar chart and stack both products against each other, you'll see Refrens just nails it across most categories. Pricing, features, target audience, and user ratings. Suvit absolutely dominates when it comes to integrations. And heavy-duty automation for CAs, though? So here's my honest take. If you're a chartered accountant or a tax consultant and need deep automation plus Tally integration for your compliance workflow, Suvit is a winner. But if you want modern invoicing, better integrations, AI-powered analytics, and a finance suite that's actually usable by startups, agencies, or SMBs, then hands down, Refrens is the way to go. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.